My name is Anne Kirkhoff and my husband Mike is on home dialysis, nocturnal dialysis. When Mike was starting dialysis, one of the nurses came here first to explain the different forms of dialysis that was available. There was a problem, Mike couldn't have one type for various reasons. So anyway, they discussed it all with us and we decided that we'd go for the nocturnal one because it seemed the best form really. When he first started having dialysis, it was 3 times a week at the hospital for 4 hours a day. Now he does 9.5 hours a night, 5 nights a week. So he has a far longer treatment, which is far beneficial for him. And it's a kinder treatment for the body. So a sort of more delicate dialysis, if you like. Going back and forth to the hospital, basically, if you're there for 4 hours, it's a full day really, 45 minutes to get there from where we live. By the time he's on the machine and set up, and then it's more or less a full day because you can't really do anything for the rest of the evening. Each partner has different ideas what they want to do. It consists of basically supporting him, helping him set up the machine when he's ready for dialysis, doing all the ordering for his medical supplies, keeping in touch with the hospital, liaising with the engineers if there's anything that goes wrong, and just generally being a support. We learnt in the hospital, it took about 4 months, I think. They were very, very thorough. When we first started at home, the staff came with us for about 5 nights and watched what we were doing, double-checked everything, and then let us get on with it on our own. But at the same time, we're just at the end of the telephone, we can just ring them for any queries or any problems. My husband was a little apprehensive about getting needles in and things like that. And it is a little daunting, the thought of it, but the support you have is incredible. I mean, the machine won't let you do anything wrong. It's very, very sensitive. So that's reassuring really. And, you know, there's little quirks and things happen sometimes, but we're taught how to deal with those. We go up about 9:30. Mike's sort of hooked up to the machine then by about 10:20. Away to go for the rest of the night and get him off about 7:30, 7:45 in the morning. This is the bedroom where the dialysis takes place. The machine there in the corner. It's quite a big bedroom, so we're very lucky really. We've got plenty of room. More supplies in here. And more supplies in the next room. In the past, we've had water supply cut and electricity supply, not through our fault, but we are on a priority list with the water board and the electricity board as well. So they let us know if it's likely to happen. And if the water supply is cut, the machine tells us, so we have to stop or not do the dialysis. So if we do get an electricity cut in the middle of the night, there's a special alarm that goes off and we've got a small generator that carries on. That's it. So all the safety precautions are all there in place, which is reassuring. And in here is where all the medical equipment and medical supplies are kept. And they're delivered once a month. So no problems with running out of anything, obviously. And this is the other machines, and there's more supplies. I had to curtail what I was doing because my life was surrounded by Mike's appointments and different things, because it's not just back and forth to the hospital, different GP and stuff like that. So my choir is in the evenings, but that's okay because Mike doesn't do every evening. So I choose it so when my choir's on in the evening, I can do that. So, and I go walking 10, 12 miles a time, rambling if you like. So I get on with that. My daytime is fine, it's great. So basically I've got my freedom back. We've been on holiday, we've been abroad on holiday to Lanzarote, where my husband had dialysis over there. It breaks your holiday up a bit, you have to be honest about that, but at least you have a chance to go away. I've also been on holiday. I go regularly once a year, or try to. I book Mike into the hospital for dialysis while I'm away, and they're quite happy to do that because it gives the carers a break as well, you know. There's no expense for dialysis when you go abroad. It's all paid for by the National Health Services or negotiated with the country where we're going or what area you're going to. So you're not out of pocket as far as dialysis is concerned. Obviously you could pay for your own holiday, but everything's taken care of. Would I recommend this type of dialysis? Definitely, without a doubt. Mike's quality of life and his health is better. He's less tired, he's far more relaxed. It makes you have the day free to do whatever you want to do. It's sort of part of our routine now. You still got to watch the fluids and stuff a little, and the diet. There's certain things you are not recommended to eat, but because he has such a long dialysis, 5 nights a week, all the toxins are being taken out much quicker and more frequently. And yes, it's a bit daunting when you think about what you may have to do, because it's a lot of medical procedure, you know, that you're maybe not used to, but you have all the support you need always. So, just go for it. You'll get brilliant training, brilliant support. As far as we're concerned, absolutely wonderful.